help in every activity. And lastly, you should actively participate. Now, kung among you here can still remember, let's have a short recapitulation of our previous lesson. Kung among you here can still remember our past lesson. Yes, Charles?
Short story.
Short story. Exactly. And our lesson is all about short story. The ones that I have written on the board. So when we say short story, do you have any idea what is short story? Yes? A short story is a summary. Can be a summary of a brief story. However, a short story, is a story or it's centered around one single event only. It has a very limited scope and has a body, introduction, body, and conclusion. We also have the elements of the story. We also talk about the elements of the story. Who would like to read the setting? Kristen. Setting is a description of where and when the story takes place. Which is where the story or when did the story happen. How about characterization? Let's have Ali.
Characterization how the characters in the story are described.
Okay, thank you, Ali. So there is a difference between character and characterization. So when we say character, these are the ones who are playing the role. Yes, thank you, Andrea. Well, because when we say characterization, this deals on how the characters in the story are being described. Let's say, for example, we have, give me a name. Charles. Charles and Christine. So Charles and Christine are the characters in the story, while the way they are being described is called the characterization. So let's say Charles is described as a handsome young prince. That's how Charles is. Okay, we also have what? Who would like to read? Let's go. Okay. Miss Earl. Sequence of events that makes up the story. So these are the significant events that happen inside the story. And conflict or the tension. Money. Conflict is the heart of the story, or this is the struggle that is being faced by our main character. And lastly, we have Steve, Marley. Steve is the main idea, the lesson or the messages portrayed in the short story that we are reading. This time, I believe you are now ready for our next activity. Are you ready for our next lesson? Yes, ma'am! Again, are you ready for our next lesson? Yes, ma'am! Okay, but before that, let us do it first. Let's count off from 1 to 3. Start with Queen. 1, 2, 3. 1. Louder. 3. 3 louder.
2, 3.
2. 3. Okay. And so group 1 will stay here, group 2 will stay here, and then group 3 will stay here. Move quietly, move quietly. Okay, are you all on your groups now? Yes. Are you here with me? Our scoreboard. This will serve as our scoreboard. So every group point or every point is for you point will be accumulated here. And this will be the group 1 chimney, group 2 and group 3. So every point, your chimney will move a little until you reach the finish line. So whoever reaches the finish line first will be the winning. Okay. Is everything clear? Remember scoreboard? Yes. Our activity to introduce our lesson. Let's go have a little hold, hide and seek me. Hide and seek me. So in this activity, you are going to answer set of examples. Kindly read the direction, class. That makes sense. Okay, so these are seven. So I have here 7 questions. This means that you are going to give me 7 letters. So every question is looking for an answer, and that answer is a specific letter. So you answer with your group until you come up with a specific word. And then after that, if you have already found the hidden word, clap 3 times and tell me the answer. Group work. Work together for you. Let's say, for example, I'm going to give you an example. I am the first in the alphabet. What letter could that be? A. Let's just start. This is the same with this one. I am the first in first. You complete until you come up with the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. It's a word composed of 7 letters. Once you're done, you clap 3 times and then tell me the answer. Let's fix it. Fiction. How do you say it's fiction? Okay, the group 1 and 1. Christine, come here. Let's find out how did Christine find out what's the answer of this set of magic questions. I am the first in first. Letter F. Not I. What the I? What that? That I. Yes. I am the 20th letter in the alphabet. E. Okay, so if you add 7 and 2, thank you, Christine. Very good. You move your duty. Your class. Let's go for 2 points. Cool. Okay, so if you add 7 and 2, no, the overspeed. So if you add 7 and 2, that is 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so you count in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. That's how we got letter I. I look like 0, but I am a letter. Oh, looks like 0. Then afterwards, you are going to follow those pictures until you come up with a picture in your mind. Okay? So that's why it's called picture me. So the first picture is, what's that? Triangle. Yes? Triangle. Give a more specific detail about the triangle. Yes, Ali. Thank you.
Pyramid.
No. Nice try. Thank you. Yes. It has 3 points. Aside from that, the color. Did you notice the color of the triangle? Yes, Mr. Charles.
Triangle's color is green.
This color.
Color green.
Yes, this is a green triangle. Oh, you move your sport by Jimmy.
Kabilang color.
Yes, Jacob. You raise your hand. It's only for your head. Lava. Cold or what? Lava. Yes, hot lava. Okay. How about the next picture? Earl. Let's group this point. Okay, you move your. Look Okay, let's have the next picture. Yes, Andrea. So when you see a body of water surrounded by those lines, you are for you. And then lastly, we have.
Uy!
Yes, you're missing your hand. Christine.
It is a triangle that has 60 degrees equal side.
Yes, exactly. 60 degrees. It's a triangle with equal sides. Perfect. It's a perfect triangle. Or in math, what do you call a perfect triangle? Equilateral. Very good. So based from the pictures that I have shown you, you move your jeepney. You forgot to move your jeepney. Based on the pictures that I have shown you, what's the first one? The green triangle, the lava, the lake, the ice cream cone, and triangle. What comes into your mind if you put together the pictures that I have shown you? The idea, good for 2 points. Isang pagkatsa sa atin.
Mama na ma'am?
What comes into your mind if you put together the words, or what can you picture in your mind if you put together the pictures that I have shown you? Green triangle, lava. Any idea?
By what?
If there's a lava, if there's like a triangular shape, then what could that be?
Is it like a caution?
Yes. Warning. Nice try. If it's lava. If it has a triangular shape. If it's green. Okay, let's have Ali.
Volcano!
Say it again.
Volcano!
Okay. Ali. So this volcano that you can see here has a perfect triangular shape inside.
Bart parang
Grades are related, is related to our lesson. However, let's go back first to what is fiction. I want you to learn here is because we're going to discuss about what is fiction. Anybody from the class who can tell me a little description about fiction? Exactly. Fiction, just like what has Andrea said, fiction are where all imagination are and real. So when we say fiction, can we read everybody that? It's just based on, so these are just directions that are based on the author's imagination. So it means that such things never happen in real life. They're just being invented and real. The word fiction is derived from the Latin word fiction. So it says here that the word fiction comes from the word fiction. Latin is a Latin word fiction, meaning the act of making, fashioning, or molding. So such examples or types of literature in fiction genre include novel, short story, the ones that we have discussed yesterday, and novella. Are you familiar with novels? Yes. Do you read novels? Yes. So when we say novel, these are a long story with episodes or chapters. Novella, the same as novel, but a little shorter. We also have here the elements of fiction. First is good like history. Characters. These are the people or animals in a story. Readers come to know the characters through what they say, they think, and how they act. So the characters are the most important element of the story. Why? Why do you think this is the most important element? Because if there's no character, then there's no story. Who would play the role if there's no characters? None, right? So the characters are the people or the animals to be existing in the story. So you as the reader will come to know or will picture the characters in the story based on how the way the story acts or play their role in the story. We also have the types of character. We have 6. The first one is the one-dimensional or flat character. So the flat character are usually the extras in the story. So they are just the extras. In the movie FPJ Ang Provinciano, Knock Knock and Ligaya are examples of flat characters. So they play as an extra. We also have static, meaning from the word itself, static, it's not moving. The characters never change, even from the beginning to the end of the story. Lola Flora is one of the examples of a static character. So from the very beginning of the story, for FPJ Ang Provinciano, she has been the kind and caring Lola until na natapos ang movie or series. We also have round character. What shape is round, class? Circular. Circular shape. So from the word itself, round, these are characters and are fully developed and they are prone to change. Let's say, for example, one of the characters in the movie is we have Nathan, Nathaniel. In the beginning, he is a good young man, and then as the story goes on, he will change the way he acts. So that's the grand character. We also have the protagonist and the antagonist. When we say protagonist, what's that? What's the meaning of protagonist? Can we have another hand? Protagonist. The main characters or the main characters in the story. In FPJ, ang Provinciano example of that is Ricardo. He is the main character in the story. And we also have the antagonist or the opposing character in the Athena, who would like to read that? Andre.
Taurus versus they are usually the peers and the best friends of the weak partner.
For the confidant, like they're the friends or the sidekicks of our main character. They're the ones who always supporting him, the ones who are always beside the main character. Okay, moving on to the next element, we have the plot. Plot is the series of events and actions that occur in the story. So these are the significant events or significant happenings that happens in the story. Like we have here the exposition or the beginning of the story, where the story begins, introduction, the rising, the climax or the peak of the story, where the conflict happens, the falling, where the characters start to resolve the problem, and of course, lastly, the resolution or the denouement. This is where they have already figured out the conflict in the story. Also have conflict. Another element of fiction is the conflict. Are you familiar with conflict?
Yes, ma'am.
This was your lesson just this week, last Monday. So conflict is the opposition of forces or the character. So these are the problems or struggles that are faced by the character through his journey or upon him reaching his goal. So we have 6 types of conflict. Can you read, class?
Man versus man. Man versus society. Man versus supernatural. Man versus nature. Man versus self. Man versus technology.
So these are the types of conflict that we may find in the story. Next, we also have flashback. Are you familiar with flashback or from the word itself, flashback is like a glimpse of yesterday, a glimpse of the past. So it shows past event which causes the story or event to happen. It's like giving us a glimpse of what happened in the past. One good example of this is, have you watched the movie Maleficent?
Yes.
It's also a type of fiction because such things never happened in real life. If you watch Maleficent, you will see there how Maleficent turned into a bad or a villain. Before, she was a good girl. She was a good lady. She was a kind lady. But then, her most trusted man stole her wings. That's why she turned into a villain. So that's what a flashback. That's what a flashback in a story. So it shows the past event which causes the story or event to happen. Any questions so far? Okay, we also have foreshadowing. In foreshadowing, it shows us hints of the future. So, going back from the other one, flashback, it's like a glimpse of yesterday. In foreshadowing, a glimpse of the future. So it shows us hints of a future event that will happen because of the present story or event. So it gives us a little hint of what will happen next. It advances us with what will happen on the plot. It also prepares the reader for later scenes or later events that could happen. So how many elements have we gone through? 5. Kindly name the 5. Beginning from the very first. Okay, very good that you are following. Next, we also have here, number 6 is resolution. Just like what I've said a while ago, it is the ending of the story. It's the stage in the story's plot where the characters have already figured out the conflict. So there are 2 types of resolution, happy ending and tragic ending. What would you prefer? Happy ending. Of course, you would prefer a happy ending. Resolution also gives us the satisfaction lesson. So these are two different elements. So theme is different from moral lesson. So theme, when we say theme, it is the main idea of the story. Moral lesson is the lesson that we get from the story that we have read. Any questions so far? Class? Are you still following?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly give me the 8 elements of fiction. Everybody, from the very beginning.
Characters, plot, conflict, flashback, foreshadowing, resolution, setting, and theme.
Okay, very good. This time, I am going to show you an example of a fiction. We're going to discuss about the legend of Mayon
Volcano.
You've already discussed it before. On in Filipino. This time I asked Hydrea to kindly collect the tickets for your attendance because we're going to travel to Bicol to see the beautiful Mayon Volcano. Are you familiar with the legend of Mayon? Because you have already discussed this on your Filipino subject. However, before we proceed with the film viewing, here are the guide questions that we will be able to answer after viewing the legend of Mayon Volcano. Everybody kindly read, class.
Was a princess with exceptional beauty. How did Magayon and Tulak become What made the princess and the king die? How did Paludas actually eat the head of Tulak and Magayon?
How did the Buddha's action led to the death of Buddha and Mayon? Now I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy watching.
The Legend of Mayon Volcano by Teresita Erskine. In the town of Darao, in the province of Albay in the Bicol region, lives the Mayon Volcano. It's the most beautiful volcano in the Philippines. Its pictures may have been what inspired the natives to come up with one of the most exceptional Philippine legends, the legend of the Lagang Magayon of the Bicolans, or the Lagang Maganda in Tagalog. Long ago, along the streamline of Yawa River, there is a kingdom named Nawis. It is reigned by a very generous and intelligent king, King Mapuso. His only daughter was called Naga Magayon because of the exceptional beauty that she possesses. Because of her beauty, all the men in their kingdom, as well as the neighboring kingdoms, dream to have her heart. It has been a hobby of the Lagang Magayon to secretly take a bath in the Yawa River every evening at the break of dawn. It was one morning when a traveler from the faraway kingdom of India accidentally saw her secretly fall. He was a young man named Una. Una was instantly hypnotized by her beauty. In the many journeys of Una, it was only then that the maiden successfully captured his heart. Every morning, since then, he would secretly watch behind the bamboo groves as the Lagang Magayon takes a bath in the Yawa River. He was not contented with being a secret admirer, so he eventually decided to come out of his hiding place and introduced himself to the native. The Nagamadayon, sparkled by this revelation, started to contemplate and well-lived. That as faith he had decoded, she stripped the emotion stone and was about to be drawn away by the little friend when Ulap grabbed her arm. In that instant, she too was hypnotized by the lad's hands and shining eyes, that she dared to turn her back from him and never look. Not for long, the two became inseparable lovers, and their relationship was happily blessed by King Makuso. Ulap asked permission to his lady love to bring her to Laguna and fetch his relatives for the common kingdom. He was away for 2 weeks. Meanwhile, the news of the soon-to-be wedding spread like fire in the nearby kingdoms, including the kingdom of Irea, which is reigned by Bakugo. This news enraged him and brought back the pain incurred by the Nagamadayan's refusal of his love proposal. To convince his people to set a battle against the kingdom of Ravi by telling them that the Nagamadayan's marriage to a foreign man is an insult to their manners. They agreed to capture King Makuso and asked for the Nagamadayan as a ransom. Meanwhile, the kingdom of Ravi is busy in preparation for the arrival of the opportunity to attack them. The people of Ravi were so stunned by this attack that the king was effortlessly captured. The festive union was instantly replaced with pain. Nagamadayon offered herself as a ransom for the freedom of his father, even if this was against his will. Just then, the expected visitors, Ulap and his clan from Laguna, arrived and found inviting enemies. If you are the real man, fight with me. Do not use your power in terrorizing ladies and old men. Ulap exclaimed. With this, the battle raged on and there was bloodshed. Under the heat of the sun, behind the dusty wind, swords and bows were ravaged, pushed against each other. The Nagamadayan's heart beated outrageously because of the suspense brought about the battle. A bloody body fell on the ground, and the maiden's heart skipped a bit, thinking that this might be her lovers. She ran closer and revealed when she saw that instead of Ulap, the lifeless body belongs to Bakugo. She turned around and she saw Ulap with his arms wide open. She joyfully ran towards the gaping arm of her lover. As the two passionately embraced each other, a deadly arrow came flying from one of the enemies and struck their intertwined bodies. The sky was covered in flame as the two lovers slowly fell on the ground. The whole kingdom of Ravis breathed upon their loss. King Makuso proclaimed that the two shall be buried together, since not right to separate but death has united us. As they say, true love is hard to burn, like a strong current. It will eventually reach something in surface. The Nagamadayan's love is such. Making love at being on the grave as a symbol of her overflowing affection. This volcano, which is surfaced from the cave of the Nagamadayan, is now known as Mayon Volcano. The Nagamadayan is what they claim as the Mayon. They say that if you want to see the test of Mount Mayon, you should wake up very early in the morning, just about the top of dawn. By then, you will see the perfect shape of the Mayon Volcano. That as time passes, clouds will cleanse over the slopes from the river. These guys are represented by the jealous woman who is not comfortable with the neatness and layup. His beloved within.
So that is how the Beyond Volcano evolved. So that is a legend. Ano ba, what is legend in Tagalog? Alam. That is the advance of Mayon Volcano. Did you enjoy the story of how was the rest of the world? Was it happy or tragic ending? Tragic ending. Both happy and both. Those are different first right. However, this time let's have a story map. Are you familiar with the story map? Here we're going to give the 6 elements which were titled the character, setting, conflict resolution, and the so this is a game. Let us first identify again, what was the title of our story? Dalagang Makayo. Is it Dalagang Makayo? Legend of Dalagang Makayo. Legend of Makayo. The chef. The waiter. What does Dalagang Makayon means again, class? Or beautiful city. How about the character? This is because I heard you say that there are how many characters in the story? 4. 3. 3. Yun lang. There are 4 characters in the story. We have Dalagang Magayon, Team Nakusog, Ulap, and Ratuga. How about the setting? Yes, setting. Ayan. Sige po. Sige. Ayan. Where did the story took place? Where did the story happen? It happened in the kingdom of Ilang points yan, ma'am? Tiebreaker! Ma'am, the conflict of the war. Ma'am, ilang points na po ba yan? conflict. Yes, Isaiah. Now they're enough, so they can hear you. When the conflict happened, or the conflict started, listen everyone, when King Mapuso was kidnapped by the rejected back. He's rejected. He was rejected by Daragang Magayon. So he kidnapped the father of Magayon and asked for her hand as a ransom. How about the resolution? Where did yes, when their love turned into something. Okay, thank you. So the resolution of the story or the legend is when there was the two of them or the two of the main characters died together and their love turned into something beautiful and that is Gamayon o Volcano. And lastly, what is the theme of the story that we have just read? Theme, the main idea. There could be a lot of themes. I'll give you one. Anybody from the class who could tell me the theme of the legend? It's okay. What's the theme of what? Where did the story revolve around? It revolves around the undying love of the undying love of Nadatu and Daragang Magayon. Also, we can also incorporate there that not everything that we want that we can get, we don't always get what we want. So that's the time we can give still remember Ulak or Ulak. No, but Ulak when he was rejected by Daragang Magayon. Sorry, he was kidnapped. I was rejected by Daragang Magayon. It's not always that we can get what we want. Now let's have another group activity. It's called Complete the Table. So I wanted to bring out one of these map crosswise as a group. So we have specified here 4 characters. What you're going to do is that you are going to give the characteristics of those characters and their type. So what type of character are they? Ano nga ulit? Or what are the 6 types of characters that we have discussed? Flat character, round character, protagonist, antagonist, confidant, and what's the other one? What's the trust? The first one. It's an enemy. Again, you are going to give characteristics, their characteristics and their and afterwards,